Do you know that hair color that lets you know a black woman's got money? That ash blonde, platinum blonde. This is it. Like, can we appreciate how amazing this hair looks right now? This is so gorgeous. This wig is by Hairvivi, and this is actually my first time using their hair. I'm just doing a little quick unboxing for you. When I first saw the image online, I wasn't sure I was gonna like the color, if I'm honest, but I was pleasantly surprised. So this is how the hair came, all boxed up. You do get some clips, some combs, and then this is the wig. So this is a frontal. This is a 13 by 6.5, and this extra piece you can see is the invisible scalp. So this gives you the illusion of a fake scalp, so you don't have to wear like a wig cap underneath. I have tried other wigs before that do come with an invisi scalp, but they actually give you the option of choosing the right one for your skin tone. The lace was also tinted to match as well, which is great. So basically beginner friendly. You don't have to do any of this yourself. This already comes done for you. Just showing you up close of the hairline, as you can see, it's been plucked for you. It is literally no knots, and it's also been bleached. So the wig does come with an adjustable band, and also compared to other wigs, this one comes with a much wider comb. So I feel like it's going to help to keep your wig a lot more secure. So I have just put the wig on. Honestly, this color is so nice. So nice. This is just what it looks like just from out of the box. Very nice loose curls. You could even leave the curls like this, like, which is like so pretty. Right now the lace is still on. The shade has kind of melted into my skin, which is crazy. This is a 13 by 6.5, so you get a really deep parting. You can wear it as a side part as well if you wanted to. Good thing about the invisible scalp, it just helps you be able to part it. You don't have to wear like a wig cap underneath. I adjusted the strap of the back, the elastic band. The combs are in and the back too. I just feel very secure. So it has been made to kind of be worn glueless. So I'm gonna cut the lace and see how this is gonna look. Just thought I'd give you another close-up of this hairline, because usually I tend to tint my lace, and I didn't need to do this hair, and the melt, even before anything's been done to it, it just looks so good. Also, I couldn't find my nail scissors, the really small ones, so just ignore this. I just had to find whatever was like lying around to cut the lace, which made it take much longer than it should have done, but yeah. Just use this elastic band just to kind of flatten it. If you have time in the morning, leave the band for like 25 to half an hour. It should just flatten that area for you, so you wouldn't really need to put any glue. I'm just gonna add like just some quick curls. I'm gonna use the T3 Air 360. I really like this one because where you turn it on and off is really close to where your finger would rest when you're curling, so it's much easier to like turn it on and turn it off compared to my shark flex style. So yeah, I've been liking it. Plus I feel like this is a little bit hotter as well. Just real quick, nothing too fancy. I really love like this like loose little thing happening right now. I probably will do like more of an in-depth like video on how I use this hair tool. I comb my hair with different tools, but like this is like more of like a quick kind of like that blowout effect. By the way, this wig is also layered, so it does really help. I feel like if your hair is layered, it does help to really show those curls and the waves like a lot better. So again, if for a beginner, if someone who's just trying out wigs, this is a really good wig because it's already been styled for you. It came literally with the bangs and just with the layers as well. So that's another good point, another thing to add. And the color is just, it's amazing. I didn't have to dye the roots because if I'm wearing like blonde, you know, colored highlighted hair, I like my roots to be darker. And the fact that this already came dark, by the way, this is not, let me just show you, this is not glued down. I'm just gonna flatten this a little bit more. I feel like the back is a little high. You know when you can tell that the hair is like luxurious hair, like you don't even want to add any products, just like you like it the way it is. It just looks so cute. So like I said, I don't want to do anything too much. I am going to do another video on this on my Insta. I might do a quick like tutorial using that hair tool, but yeah, what do you think? So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I'm not going to do too much. The curls honestly just looks so nice. Sometimes you don't really want to be doing it. It's not every day you do like big, you know, voluminous, like big glam curls. Like I love these like very subtle, but it still gives something, you know. You just have to like refresh the curls when you take it out of the box. But honestly, this is so pretty. You know when you just feel the hair and you're just like, this just feels like luxury. There's some hair that you feel like your hand just gets stuck, like you're trying to like run your fingers through it and it's just, it's not giving. But this is so pretty, and even though it's like it's giving more of like a spring summer look, I feel like for the winter with like toasty makeup, mocha latte, I don't even know these names, they'd be given the same names with the same type of makeup, but they're basically just saying like, you know, the bronzy brown type makeup look. I feel like that makeup look would work with like a hairstyle like this. But yeah, what do you think? Do you like it? I love it. I love how like it didn't take me long at all. Like I said, this is still glueless. Still glueless. I know there are other hair companies that do, you know, the Invisi scalp, but the fact that this brand, Hairvivi, they give you 4 different options for different colors, so to match, you know, whatever suits your scalp better. I think I went for the darkest one. I will double check and I'll put it down below, but it looks so seamless. Like it's just crazy. You can part it to the left, to the right. It's like easy if you wanted to, but I think I'm gonna go, because it's been styled with the bangs like this, I think I'm just gonna keep it as the middle part. 22 inches. I feel like lately I've been going more towards like 18, 20, 22 inches. It just gives more like a grown type vibe. You can also get different cap sizes. This is a medium. I have a medium hair, so I always go for mediums for all my wigs. Anything else I would put down below. Let me know if you would try this out. This is so pretty and I look forward to wearing this in this autumn winter season. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.